Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this newer Samsung S24 cage, phone cage. So here I have a Samsung S24 Ultra. Here's everything that comes in the box. Now these are different, this is for like different filters. You're simply going to put these hooks in. There's little hooks like that. And there's something that says push it down. So put the hooks in. And then you're going to push it down until it kind of clicks into place. Now it's nice and steady. When you want to change, same with this one. Push it in and push it down until it kind of clicks into place. There we go. Then we have this other one here also. Pretty simple to put the phone in. This little silver thing here, you're going to move that out of the way. That opens up the top. Let's take the S24. You have to take it out of your case. You're going to slide it in. All right, I can still get to the S Pen. I can still charge it. I still have access to everything. These are buttons on the side here I can still use. Now I have a cold shoe. I have these 1/4 threads. I even have 1/4 threads on this side. Yeah, the phone fits in there very well. Again, that's a metal cage. It's very simple to take the phone back out. Got some padding on it. Now it doesn't come with any of the lenses. Now overall measurements looks like about 3 3/4 by about 7 inches. Thickness wise, you're looking at about not quite a 1/2 inch, just a little under a 1/2 inch. All right, so now I got the camera in. Let's put these in. Again, now when you push it down, might be a little easier to take the phone out and then slide these in. There, now it's slid down. Now grab the phone. Now you can see everything that is lined up there. Take it out. There is a little padding on this side. Yeah, it's easier to do it. For some reason, you got to take the phone out. Now I'll grab these. Yeah, they're on there really tight. Now everything's lined up. Let's take it off. Let's try this filter. It does say that's a 67mm filter adapter. Yeah, even this one you gotta take it out. Huh. It's just easier to put these on if you take the phone out. All right. You know, it doesn't really have to slide in. I thought it originally had to slide in, but you just have to put it in. And now it's held in place. But there's what the filter attachment looks like. There. Didn't have it down all the way. With that on, it's about 4 1/4, and that filter attachment's almost 2 3/4 inches wide. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.